let's look at some of the subnet numbers that we need to become familiar with. Be aware as you go through this that this identical subnet chart is available to you in the HTM form. It's called subnetchart.htm, and it can be found in the Stuff folder. What we have here are number of bits borrowed, number of subnets, and the number of hosts that you have left for both A, B, and C class addresses. Obviously, you're taking bits away from assigning them toward hosts and using for the subnets, things are going to disappear. So if we borrow 2 bits, that will give us 2 subnets. Class A started out with 16,387,064 hosts. Once you take away those first 2 bits, that will reduce you to 4,194,302. Class B, you start out with 64,516. If you remove 2 bits, you end up with 2 subnets, but you only have 16,382 hosts. Class C, you start out with 254 possibilities. When you remove 2 bits, you have 62 left. You can see, as we borrow more bits, our subnets increase, but our hosts decrease. In a Class C address, once you get down to the point where you've borrowed 6 bits, if you borrow any more, it's not going to be applicable. So the most that you can ever borrow from a Class C address is 6 bits. And in each one of these 62 subnets that you gain from using those 6 bits, you'll have 2 hosts. This is one of those charts that if you do plan on going for any type of testing, you'd want to have memorized and be to a point that when you go to your testing center and they have the laminated paper that you can write down any information you'd like, one of the first things you might want to do is write down this chart on that laminated paper for easy reference.